Hello everyone, this is Aida Golami from Agrimet Soft Research Company and I'm here to teach you how to calculate standard deviation in Excel. So let's see what is standard deviation. As you can see, standard deviation has some different functions in Excel. So the first one you can see standard deviation, the P. This P stands for population. And it's used when you have, for example, 10 students and you have 10 scores for all of them. So you have 10, so you have a population and you have numbers and marks or whatever for all of them. You use this function, standard deviation.p. Then you have standard deviation.s, which stands for sample. So for example, you have a population of 20 students, but you have numbers for just 10 of them. So these 10 people of the sample out of that population. You understand? So you have a population, but you don't have numbers or marks or whatever for all of that population. You just have for a sample, for a specified sample. Then you use the standard deviation for sample. Then you can see here that it has like this image here. You can see this one is just compatible with Excel to 2007 and earlier. So this is an old version for standard deviation. You better use this ones. Okay, now what is standard deviation? What's the code behind this function? What does it do? Take this example. You have set of numbers which all of them are 20. The value of all of your numbers is 20. Then you first have a mean of this data set. You have an average that is obviously 20. So then you want to go through standard deviation. Its short is 0. Why? I'll tell you. The function uses this calculations. So what it does is that it gets every sample. So xi is each of these values. It gets it, it minuses the mean or the average, which is 20. So here we have 20 minus 20. It's 0. Then it raises to the power 2. Raise 0 to any power and it gives you 0. Then it divides to the number of the samples. So here we have 11 samples. Divide 0 to any number and it gives you 0. Then it calculates the root square. Again, 0. So you have a standard deviation of 0 here. Then I want to go through this data set that I have the maximum temperature and minimum temperature of one of the stations in my study area. I want to calculate the standard deviation of these data sets. So I get the equal standard deviation for population because I have numbers for each day. I don't have any missing data. So here I just grab all of them and enter. It's 2.2 standard deviation of the minimum temperature, and then I get the standard deviation for the maximum temperature. It's 3.9. So That's today's video. I hope you have learned new things. I have you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to Agrimatsoft channel, YouTube channel, and follow the videos. If you ring the bell, you will announce whenever the new videos are released. Please like this video, and I will see you in the other videos. Bye.